Singer Model 201 from 1955 with table. Both are in excellent condition. Machine is in great working condition, well taken care of, seldom used in the last 30 years. These are home use industrial type machines. Good for heavy duty stitching, has a direct drive motor, no belt. Everything on this machine is in good working condition. Straight ahead bobbin. Works well. Table's in good condition. A few small issues, missing a piece of veneer in the front. Front shore flips open well. It does come with some extras, about 8 extra pieces and some extra parts. This is plugged in, so I'll give you a quick demo. It does have a knee button here which pushes into the Singer switch box here. So I'll go ahead and put a piece of fabric under here. This does sew a nice tight stitch. I'll just give a demo here. This is guaranteed to work well, but you can hear it purr. Does work well, as you can hear. It's slow and fast speed. Just kind of hums right along. Feeder boot's working well. Just a nice looking machine. Up for auction. Decals still strong. Full corner of the table nicely. Tuck the cord in and wedge the tabletop so it folds down. Thanks very much for looking at this classic Singer sewing machine, Singer Model 201 from 1955.